Information about coronavirus is evolving constantly. That's why we are focused on giving you facts and not spreading fear. Thanks for joining us here on Midday. I'm Katie McCall in for Allison Croft. We begin with brand new information about COVID-19 here in Florida. We've just learned there is a second presumptive positive case in Santa Rosa County. That's near Pensacola. We have 2 confirmed cases of the virus here in our area with another person who has tested presumptive positive. We're working on getting more details about all of these cases here in our state. Nationwide, 11 people have died from coronavirus. 6 of those deaths in the U.S. are tied to a nursing home in Washington state. And now senior living facilities are ramping up their response to the virus, including those here in Tampa. Brightside's Tweelon Wynn shares how Hillsborough County is protecting our most vulnerable population from the coronavirus.
Hillsborough County has 8 senior centers just like this one, and every day they've got dozens of events planned, meetups, exercise classes, and that's why Hillsborough County wants to protect the hundreds of people that come to community hubs like this. The county is especially concerned because the American Medical Association says older people are most vulnerable to COVID-19. Adults between 30 to 79 years old represent nearly 90% of all cases of coronavirus. Nursing homes and assisted living facilities are stepping up their visitor screening processes and deep cleaning to keep the virus from spreading. Hillsborough County is cleaning their senior centers and making sure they have enough supplies. They're also working on putting together brochures to hand out to visitors. These efforts are especially important here in Florida.
This is specifically a challenge for an older population, those with health conditions, as well as people who are just up in age. And as you point out, Florida has a lot of those folks. We're fortunate to have so many people who retire down here, whether they lived here their whole life or moved down from somewhere else.
We've been going through our planning process since January, so we're moving through that process and ready to respond to any scenario that presents itself.
Hillsborough County currently has no plans to close any of these senior centers or cancel any of those events, but if they do, they'll let everyone know through their electronic alert system.